Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are gonna see some face washes which are best in the market and which are very affordable to buy. And these face washes are for all skin types. Some of them are for oily skin, so I'll be going to tell you at that point of time that this is for oily skin and this face wash can be used by any skin type. These face washes are readily available in the market. You can buy it from any website, and I'll be giving all the buying links in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. And if you like my video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I'm telling it in the video intro itself because maybe some people don't see until the end, so I'll give all the details and all the buying links in the description box below, so please check it out, and also comment down below what else you want me to make. I'll be very happy to do it for you guys. These face washes get you rid of all the blemishes and all the dark spots. Some of them are really the best in the market, so these face washes which I'm going to show you are a worth buy option for you, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. So guys, first I'll recommend you this face wash. This is from Organic Harvest and it is the vitamin C organic face cleanser with acai berry and daisy flower, and you get 100 ml of the product, and this retails for 495 rupees. This is a face wash which can be used by all skin type of people. It has vitamin C in it. Earlier in my video where I have described all the toners which I have used and which are very good, I have shown a toner from this range also, and I have used it personally. Although this bottle is sealed, this is my second bottle. I have used completely one bottle of this face wash and it was very nice. I'm telling you guys, this can be used by any skin type and this face wash is just amazing. And you can see your blemishes fading away when you use this face wash over here. It brightens your skin definitely. So a very big thumbs up to this product. Next, I'm going to recommend this face wash. This is for my oily skin beauties, and this is a cleansing gel. This is from Oriflame Sweden Love Nature cleansing gel. So this is from the brand Oriflame, and this is really a very good face wash. I have used I think 3 or 4 bottles of this face wash, and this is really very nice. And earlier when I used to have intensely oily skin, then at that time this was a big savior for me, and it reduces the oil secretion from your face and makes your face very bright. It takes away the dullness of your face and makes it bright, and all the blemishes are also like they fade away within I think 3 or 4 days of usage. So I really like this face wash a lot, so I'll highly recommend it. So this retails for 349 rupees and you get 150 ml of the product, and this is really very nice. See the bottle, this is the bottle. So this is really very nice for oily skin, so do check it out. My third recommendation will be this face wash from Garnier, and this is their light complete fairness face wash. It reduces dullness, so this is very nice to reduce dullness, and it also brightens your skin. But this is not a natural product, and this is for all skin types, suitable for all skin types. Okay, so this is 100 gram net content, 100 grams, and this is for 160 rupees. This is for 160. You can get it on discount also. Now this face wash, this is from Biotique, and this is their advanced Ayurveda Bio White Advanced Fairness face wash. This is for 240 rupees and you get 200 ml of the product, and you get small sizes also in this particular variant. And if you get it, then if you want to try for like first time, then buy that one, and if you have already tried and you like this, then buy this big bottle. Okay, so this face wash is also one of my most admired face washes which I have used, and I'm going to recommend it to all the people. Particularly this one is best for oily skin, so people with oily skin are recommended this. But now I have not that much oil secretion on my face, so it is kind of now combination having oil on my forehead and on my T-zone, like this T-zone, so on my nose and on my forehead. So this is particularly very nice, and this is all natural. As you can see, Biotique makes all natural products, so I'm highly gonna recommend you this face wash. Now during winters my skin tend to feel very dry sometimes, so at that time I use this one. This is from a brand called Good Vibes, and it is their Rose Hip deep cleansing face wash. This is in the variant Rose Hip. Like Rose Hip is the most raved range in this particular brand Good Vibes, and you should definitely give a try to the Rose Hip range. If you are a person with dry skin, then this will be a great savior for you, trust me. And now this is for 250 rupees, and you get 200 ml of this product, and you can get smaller sizes also for this face wash. So please check it out, and I'll be giving the buying links in the description. And this is not sponsored, by the way. So guys, if you like this video and you want me to make more such videos, then please like this video and share it with your friends, and comment down below what else you want me to make. I'll be very happy to be friend with you. So please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next. Until then, bye.